Evaluate the determinant of a 4x4 matrix. The first row is 0, 0, 4, 6. The second row is 2, 1, 1, 3. The third row is 2, 1, 2, 3. And the last row is 3, 0, 1, 7. It is true that if we use the first row, we only need to expand two determinants here, 4 and 6. But observe that row 2 and row 3 are almost the same except for 1, 2 in the third column. So we would perform a row operation. We would take, for instance, negative row 2 and add it to row 3 to obtain a new row 3. Then this is 0, 0, 4, 6, 2, 1, 1, 3, and this is the same as taking row 3 minus row 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 3 minus 3 is 0. And we keep the last row, 3, 0, 1, 7. This new matrix has the same determinant as the given matrix because we multiply one row and add it to another row. This particular row operation will not change the determinant of the matrix. Keep in mind that if we were to interchange the row, then we will end up with a negative determinant. Using the third row to expand the determinant, we have the determinant of A equals 0 times the cofactor 3, 1 plus 0 times the cofactor 3, 2 plus 1 times the cofactor 3, 3 plus 0 times the cofactor 3, 4. And this is simply 1 times. The cofactor sub 3, 3 has a positive sign because 3 plus 3 is even. So we simply multiply the minus 3, 3. But this is 1 times the determinant of the matrix where we cross out the third row and the third column. The remaining smaller matrix is 0, 0, 6, 2, 1, 3, 3, 0, 7. And we observe that the determinant of this matrix can be computed by expanding the first row. The first row has 2 zeros and 1 non-zeros. This is 6 times the cofactor 1, 3. The number 6 comes from the entry row 1 and third column. The cofactor A sub 1, 3 has a positive sign because 1 plus 3 is 4, even. So this is 6 times the minor 1, 3. But the minor 1, 3 is the smaller matrix where we cross out the first row and the third column. The remaining smaller matrix is 2, 1, 3, 0. And this is 6 times 2 times 0 is 0, minus 1 times 3 is 3. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. So the determinant of the given matrix is negative 18.